They're young, immature Alpine Coughs. Just got out in the nest. Kush was pulling on the lead. And getting out of the rain now, hang on. See, they got orange legs and orange beaks. They're very rare, but you get them up in Bramore Cliffs, Dune Cliffs, and down Ballybunion Golf Club. And they had a nest here over one of the caves, only 12 foot off the ground. Makusha, what do you think of Alpine Coughs? Very, very tasty, she says. And then if you look out over above, you see, wait, do the boobs. Boop, boop. I got a raindrop on my lens.